Welcome to my channel. This video is about Otti and Kalu, Governor Alex Otti and the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Benjamin Kalu. You know, for a while, Benjamin Kalu has been eyeing, or I don't know whether he's eyeing Governor Otti's seat. I don't know, but you heard what he said, that as far as he's the number 6th man, he can be number 6th man in Nigeria, and the governor of Abia State will be from another party. It is time for Governor Otti to also tell him, I can be governor of Abia State, and the number 6th man will be from another party that is not Labour Party. You know why we are doing this video? Because recently he echoed the same statement he has made before. And I also saw in another video, Ojozo Kalu was like, is Benjamin Kalu interested in becoming governor of Abia State? Let him indicate interest. We will support him. Now we are going to look at it. Abia is in the news again. And this time it is not about roads or salaries. It is about power. It's about ego. It's about the future of Abia State. Now the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Benjamin Kalu, has made a bold statement. This is not the first time he's making the statement, but he's re-echoing the statement. He said, as long as I am the number 6th man in Nigeria, the next governor of Abia State must be from APC. And you know this number 6 man, let me tell you something. This number 6 man he's claiming is on paper. So the number 6 man he's claiming is on paper. In the real sense, I see a governor of a state bigger than even the Senate president. That is how I see it. I don't know if you see it differently. So he's claiming that he is the number 6th man, and for that reason, he has the power to, he's not talking about people's vote. No, he has the power to decide who is the governor of Abia State. That's an insult. And, it's a big insult for Abia State and for a governor that is performing. So, let's continue. The current governor of Abia State is Alex Otti. He is not APC. He's a member of the Labour Party. And, I think there are pressures on him come to Labour Party, APC. But that aside, Otti, based on past records in Abia State, Abia has been suffering bad leadership. But based on past record, you could say Otti has been the best among the governors that have come since 1999. So, why this statement? Is Benjamin Kalu trying to force Otti into APC, or is he already planning to stop him in 2027? Let's break it down. Benjamin Kalu, the Speaker of Abia State, told his people that the next governor of Abia State will be APC. He said it with confidence. Not as if he got votes, he got supporters, because, I've spoken with a lot of Abia State people, and I don't see anyone talking about him, comparing him to Otti. I don't see anyone, he's not so much known, only when you talk about the Federal House, we don't so much hear him in the news. And we hear him in the news only for things like this, bragging. But this guy said with confidence, as if he has, the result of the next election has been written. Look at it. So the statement raised questions everywhere. And I know Abia people are very much aware of what is happening. And we having also understood the game that is being played in Nigeria. Who gave this guy that power? Can one man decide who becomes governor in Abia State? And does his federal title, Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, gives him the authority over Abia State? Is he the INEC of Abia State? Or perhaps, I don't know if he controls INEC. Meanwhile, some are saying he's only trying to promote his party. But he's so authoritative. Others believe he was sending a message to Otti that he should either join APC or face pressure later. But that kind of talk does not go down well with the people of Abia State. And that is what Soludo said. And it's a common proverb. Ndabia bado na anya. Bado na anya. Ahobele onodo onu nwetakwal. For long, you people have experienced wicked and evil leadership. And for the first time, through Governor Otti, they are trying to snatch it away from you again. Ndabia bado na anya. I'm not trying to support any political party, but I'm trying to support. When I see people who are doing good works, I would like to, lean behind them. So Abia people, Madonanya, you have tested a new kind of leadership under Governor Otti. Uno happy ochishapo. Nolono na polling unit, nolono ka ago that day, si ne detu. Si detu result niine, ayamokwe ebe nda si Abia. Anagwa no nyao number 6 man. He said he's the number 6 man. Yes, Deputy Speaker of the House, number 6 man. That is in paper. Meanwhile, that is a big office, but the real power is only in his federal constituency, Bend the area, and Bend the area can represent. Governor Otti, on the other hand, is the number 1 man in Abia State. He controls the state government, the local government, and all development projects. He decides what's happening in Abia, Umuahia, and other parts of the state. So why Kalu holds a federal position, Otti holds the heart of Abia. And the heart always beats stronger than the hand. Okwu ka nji style agwọ nọ ndị Abia. Unu ya pụta jidesie na ife we nke unu aka. Unu ekwena ka mmadụ nala unu ya. Why am I saying this? Since Otti became governor, things have started to change in Abia. He cleared old salaries. He started new road projects. He improved security. He improved electricity in the state to an extent. And he gave hope back to civil servants and traders. Before now, Aba was full of refuse and bad roads. And Ejabeje. Unu man ka Aba de tupu Otti bia. Today you can see progress. Even the people who did not vote for him agree that he is trying. So when someone says the next governor must be APC, people ask, why change something that is working? Does party matter more than performance? Jukene numuka kelifo na acho. Hey, ono kata ụfọdụ isi ofu ebe gị ga-apụta anya modo mgbe eto si gagido nnọkọta anụ na onye awụ deputy ụfọdụ mmadụ nnọkọta isi ofu ebe gị ga-apụta. Meanwhile, some analysts believe Benjamin Kalu is trying to play smart politics. He knows APC wants to gain ground in Southeast. No eji federal backing webia. Ha chọrọ inweta ebe ahụ ka ịma na onweze ka Nigeria dị kịta ndị North na-akpa nkata ha. Tinubu ya achọ ka o jiri Southeast wee gwa mezuo ka o wee nweta Nigeria ka o wee nwee ike eche in case na aka elu ho North ọfụma etu o si bilo na 2023 ka o jiri Southeast wee gwa anụ ka ife a wee gaa ọfụma ọ ya achọ ka o nweta Abia State. Unu furu ife mere na River State. Indirectly, unu amaghị ife mere na River State. My election emekwuru unu fụcha ka ife niile ma fụbara ewepụ tinyekwa. Ife niile awụ 2027 ka a na-ene anya. So, from what I'm seeing, Kalu may be using his federal power to prepare the ground for APC ahead of 2027. He may be trying to drag Otti to APC or weaken his support early. Otti, I hope Otti is not like Good Luck Jonathan. People are babbing him. They were babbing him. He did not even tell them the style. And they babbed him down. Otti, I hope you are not like Kimo. But what I know is that Abia people are watching closely because if Otti is doing well, his performance alone will speak louder than party colors. If I chona siga wa nwere bro party ka chola I cholo onye alu olu mana Onya melne ya selelo Otti bawa APC mba. In Nigeria politics, the truth is simple. A governor is more powerful in his state than any federal lawmaker. Otti nge ka na-agwa nka. Nge ka na-agwa nka. Ekwekwana ka ị nọ ebe a akpọ gị isi. Angwa ya akpọ ha. Yes, a deputy speaker can make laws, but a governor makes decisions that touches daily lives. The governor controls local governments, state appointments, contracts, and the entire grassroots network. And this is why many senators and representatives try to be close to the governors, because the governors control the home base. Mananka, nyana governor ayaku. O believe no we federal. Ona acho ikuzi fe yeme. Na number 6, no of course the number 6. Ndabia, you will help Otti. If Otti is really working, you people have to help him. Happen maka ndị na-ekoga. Inano? Happen maka ndị na-ekoga. Kalu may feel big in Abuja. But in Abia, Otti's presence should be stronger. I'm telling you this unless Otti is not working. No. If Otti is working, what we want is who will work. He doesn't have to switch political party. Meanwhile, now, let's talk about a strategy. Every leader must plan their future. If Otti wants his reform to continue, he must groom young people, loyal, competent, and passionate leaders who can carry his vision forward. Otti, ha na-agba game, ị na-agbakwu nke gị, ọ bụrụ sọ ilo na idozisi obodo, ị na-agbakwu political game nke gị. Anyị ma na try, ị na-agba mbọ na ịlụgasị ilo. Ha na-agba nke ha, a na-akpa nkata ha, na-akpa nkata ha. By now, you're supposed to be identifying credible people in Bende. Yes, Bende, Be Kalu aha. Shotande the credible. Support wa ha ka just ka na ezozi ọchịchị. Ọ chọrọ inye gị ọrụ, ikenyekwuo ya ọrụ. O nwechara ndị ya anọchi nwe na Bende. Support them. Ọ bụrụ ka anụ ọgụ, mana ka build balance, to build balance. Politics is not supposed to be war. It's about structure. So, Otti, you are supposed to be building your own structure across all constituencies. Nobody should intimidate you. Actually, intimidate. Actually, it's either he wants to be governor or he's trying to push somebody. He's trying to compel you to join APC. In a push, nobody can intimidate you or your legacy. Governors like Tinubu use this same method. Even Peter Obi, they build people who will defend their work. Otti, sponsor. You're supposed to groom and sponsor the right people. Those people that can one day take over seats like Benjamin Kalu. Is he the only person qualified in Abia Bend to be at the House of Representatives? I'm not saying fight fight anybody. No. It should be a contest. Yes, send people, let them contest with him. Through the ballot box. I'm not saying fighting. Otti, you need to protect your legacy. When you go to Aba today or Umuahia and ask people, they will tell you, we don't care about party. We care about work. The truth is that Abia people just want peace and development. They want light, they want good roads, and they want salaries. They are tired of political noise, and many people believe Otti is the first governor in a long time who is focused on real work. And nyaka na choka bachapu. Yes, Benjamin Kalu may be number 6 man in Nigeria, but in Abia State, the people are number 1. The people of Abia State are number 1 in Abia State. Asika cast wa vote, ofu vote ka Benjamin Kalu ya cast. Yana ndebe highest 10 votes more. No one should use power from Abuja to threaten the will of the people. You Abia people must not allow that. If Governor Otti continues working, his record will speak louder than political talk. Mana, has also record ago. Nigeria. And Otti has to groom leaders, new leaders. Abia will remain in safe hands for many years. I'm not just talking about grooming anybody. Groom real good leaders. We are not trying to support any political party. No, that is not what we are trying to do. We are talking about good leadership, people that will deliver, people that will protect the soul of Abia State from selfish politics and power games. This broadcast is for public education and political analysis. It does not represent support for any party or candidate. IGBO AREA TV stands for the truth, unity, and the progress of the Igbo nation.